You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these word name and more confusing names too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Alkebulan. Alkebulan is how you pronounce it correctly. It's easy once you know Alkebulan, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. More videos for you here. Thanks for watching and thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.